Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at Yousky's Pura V12. This is a pool skimmer that's going to help keep your pool nice and clean. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. So the first thing we want to do is point out the quality of the build. Now you have a charging port right here, but it also runs on solar power. So this will literally run with 24-hour coverage with solar power. That's because they've built in a large lithium rechargeable battery. Now, when it comes to the propellers, it has dual propellers for easy control, and it will tie right into their app, which they've done a great job with an easy app that's great for use with a variety of their devices. Now, they've got non-skid rollers, so it can just kind of go up to the sides of your pool, and you don't have to worry about it causing any scratches, anything like that. And then as we move around, one of my favorite little things is how large the entry is here. That means large debris can go in, but it's not a dangerous entry here. You're not going to worry about things getting caught or somebody getting injured if they're around here. So that's very nice. Now this does have a large built mesh filter, and that mesh filter not only cleans the debris off the surface, but it's going to do a good job cleaning the water line of fine particles as well. So let's go ahead and put it in and test it out. First, we'll go ahead and turn it on. That's just holding it down there for a second, and we're going to drop it in. All right, folks, so for testing purposes, we've gone ahead and put a large bit of debris into the pool, and we're going to let the skimmer work its magic. Now, the fact that it has a large battery is a big selling point for me, and it should be a big selling point for you. And the fact that this has a large entry means that those larger items can go ahead and get sucked up as well. That means even things like larger sticks, you can see just go right in. It's going to take its time, and it's going to vacuum them up. All right, how cool is that? Now, folks, one of the things I love about this is that it's good for all pool surfaces. You can use it in an above-ground pool or below-ground pool, and you don't have to do any work. In the background, you may hear my lawn crew cleaning up lawns. They're sweating, it's hot out, but I don't have to hire a crew to clean my pool anymore. This is doing the work completely, autonomously, and for me. And look at that, big clumps just being sucked away from the surface of my pool. That big solar panel is a lifesaver as well. That means I'm not taking this out constantly to charge it. It's getting the dirt and debris from my pool, and I am literally doing nothing. With each pass, it finds a little more, it sucks it in, and I don't have to worry about it. It's doing the work for me. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's even getting those almost microscopic and the tiny little particles out of the water. We threw quite a bit of leaves in here, and this is cleaning the surface from even the smallest particles and debris that would otherwise go into your pool filters, and you would be paying big bucks to replace those each time. I know my filters alone are several $100s. And of course, the app puts the control right in the palm of your hand. All right, let's go ahead and see what's inside of here. You can see quickly how much residue just got caught in the filters, and we'll just rinse that out. And folks, just to point out, there is a spot right here that you can put your chlorine tablets or things of the sort, so you are cleaning your pool as you go. Another nice aspect is that this is coming in at a price point that doesn't break the bank. We'll give you all the information. But if you're looking for something that's going to clean your pool at a great price point, whether it's a smaller one or a larger one, this is the device for you. I also want to take a moment and point out the quality of the brand. Their skimmers are fantastic, but also their pool vacuums are fantastic. They've been making high quality products for quite a long time now, and that gives them a reputation for performance which can't be beat. They stand behind their products, and as you'll see in the up-close portion of the video, they've got a great reputation, a great warranty, and everything you need is included in the quick start guide and in the app. So I recommend you go check that out so you don't have to pay a pool guy anymore. So folks, what I think I like most is the fact that I can be inside in here in the air conditioning while the pool robot does its work for me. This thing is doing all the skimming and keeping my pool clean. Now you may have had a pool robot that vacuums the floor of your pool and you say, that's enough. Well, it's not. This is getting the debris out from where you are. Having a skimmer is important, and the fact that it's solar powered is a huge advantage. Not only is it good for the environment, but this is also something that can continuously run until your pool is looking great. With that being said, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. The brand is of quality. The quality is fantastic, and we highly recommend you go pick one up. So it's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video where we give you a moment to see it up close, right out of the box, and put it in your cart. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the up-close portion of our video. All right, friends, now it's time for up-close portion of the video. In this portion of the video, you may have already decided to pick up this smart pool skimmer, the Pura V12, but we also want to give you an opportunity to see everything up close and personal. Runtime 24 hours, solar time, battery only is 15 hours. It's a 4500 mAh battery. Charges in 4 to 5 hours, solar or DC charging. Gives you all the details. It comes with the charging cable, the manual, and the quick start guide. Very straightforward. The lights to let you know if it's charged, etc. And everything about the Yousky app is available as well. So, when we look at that, you can see everything there. We also have this, the guide itself. The app is available in your app store, both on Google Play or Apple, and it tells you what you need to know. There's your charging cable, which is included. And yes, they've done a great job giving you great value from a brand that is highly reputable, has a great reputation. And look at that solar panel that's built in. Many companies nowadays are trying to get you with an inferior solar panel. Now you've got the easy on and off and everything you need there. The extended warranty information is included as well. A nice non-scuff wheel so it can bop around your pool. And boy, what a fun logo. So when it comes down to it, there's your entrance for leaves and debris. Goes through that fine mesh filter and keeps your pool looking beautiful. Rubberized wheels all around, the serial cord, the charging port, the propellers. Let's see if we can get you up close on those propellers. And yes, the brand themselves have been working to make sure you're getting your money's worth every single time. So folks, now is a great time. At the end of our video, we put this at the end on purpose for you to put this in your cart. If you've been looking for a premium brand that won't break the bank, high quality, durable, reliable, responsible, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. That's easy for me to say. Well, folks, it's time to go pick this up. You will not be disappointed. One more look on the inside there so you can see everything inside. What a great design, and that is going to gobble up those leaves 24/7, 365. Folks, it's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Adios, amigos.